The next day, I hope I won't have a breakdown.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain. 'Cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain.
My natural hair struggles. So I've been having my hair frizzy, but not that bad. I've had this hairstyle, like I've let my hair breathe for, I think I've been rocking just freestyle afro, not doing any routine, not doing any kind of twist out or anything. Yeah, it's been 1 month. I've not done anything to my hair, not like doing twist out, braid. No, just letting my hair breathe. And actually, today is like I've not done anything to it. I've just woken up and I went swimming yesterday, so maybe that's why it's frizzy. But it has really shrinked because yesterday I was swimming and I didn't come back, like I couldn't be bothered like doing anything to it. So today maybe I'm thinking to wash it, like to have a hair mask it, and do a leave-in conditioner and style it with a curling moisturizer pudding hair food or hair moisturizer for C coily, and it's really kinky. Since 2014 I cut all my hair. I had the biggest chop of my hair and I just decided to go natural. I don't take hair vitamins, I don't take hair pills, I don't do all those crazy stuff. My hair has a mind of its own. Sometimes it's good, like I was so amazed, it was so good. Like, remember guys, the other video I did like relaxing my hair, and you guys like really had so many comments on that video. Actually, it was not me who was relaxing my hair. I wanted to relax my hair, but I kind of changed my mind about that. So I went ahead on the comment section of that video, and you guys had like, there was a lot of negative criticism, but there were positive criticism and constructive criticisms. So I actually saw like you really need to have your hair have a you do treatment to your hair. So actually went ahead and did that to my hair, and I can see like my hair texture has really improved. Yeah, now you can't see it because I went swimming yesterday and I didn't do anything on it, and that's why I want to do hair mask today. And I think I'll take you to the process and you see how my hair like dries. And I'm gonna show, like, this is not a sponsored, like no product is sponsored here. It's totally what I've done. What I just went to the supermarket and bought things that were available in where I live locally. I try to do DIYs, and I will never advise anyone to do DIYs. It's better you buy these products, because I tried like DIYs from people, and that's what actually destroyed my hair. So I just use professionally made products. So without talking too much, let's go and revive this hair. We're gonna start with hair mask.
Pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain. 'Cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave.
Applying a hair mask right now.
'Cause you are the only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one.
I'm gonna let it soak for I think 1 hour or 30 minutes. That's the recommended time. But trust me, I keep on postponing this thing. Recipe for rich and natural hair. This one is really nice. It has with guarana root and honey. For a little bit of the black castor oil.
All I want
won't have a breakdown. I really hope. So I slept with this silky headscarf, but you know, I don't know if it's me, but me sleeping with headscarf in the middle of the night, they're already like gone on my hair. So I try as much as possible. Maybe I just need to invest on a silky pillowcase. So what I'll normally do is a little bit of this Jamaican black castor oil, a little bit. Black castor oil is really good for your nails. That's why, okay, genetically my nails go really long, but when I apply like castor oil, my nails like they grow so quickly. So I just hope I won't have a meltdown, guys. I don't know. So this is the pattern. I just wanted my hair to be a little bit stretched. That was my girl. If I'm gonna have a meltdown, I really don't get it. Like, people have like their hair is really bodied, but my hair, I don't know, it's not that, doesn't have that much body. I don't know how they do it. So as I told you before, I've been 6 years natural since I had a big chop, and you guys were you were so like triggered when I said like, oh my god, I'm relaxing my hair. I didn't actually. It was in my thought to relax, but I ended up not relaxing it. Yeah. So this is what I see people do. They, I don't know why it's not full. Like, I don't see the body of it. But don't worry, guys, I'm gonna keep on updating you, because the whole today's Sunday. I've been procrastinating doing this hair. As you can see the clips before, since like last week, like washing natural hair. I don't know if it's me, like my type of hair, but it's a dedication. Like, there are steps, like you call wash, you mask, you like, it's a lot. But I'm loving the way my hair feels. I just love it. I love it.